spending the night in Dixon.
What was a mission from Point
60 odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to live?
Mozambique has a mission of 30 people.
Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays
Maputo the capital of Mozambique, the city of Mozambique.
us now? How many yesterdays are between